Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Eric Johnson.
Well, it's a lovely start to our Tuesday morning here in central Montana. Gorgeous sunrise over Great Falls as we look live from the Great Falls Clinic iCam. It's a cooler morning than what we have seen the last couple of days. Temperatures into the mid to upper 40s as we are seeing clear skies, allowing those temperatures to cool off. But we will see increasing clouds into this afternoon and evening, and a few showers and thunderstorms will develop today and over the course of the next few afternoons, and then a more widespread rain likely into Friday and this weekend. Also looking at some cooler temperatures as an area of low pressure moves over the state by this Friday. Our air quality is in much better shape than this morning. Most of us in the moderate range, but there will still be some wildfire smoke moving through today, so that will lead to a little bit of haze around, but I'm not anticipating much impact to our air quality across central Montana. There will be some impact over towards Missoula with some denser smoke moving in, and then overnight we'll actually see more smoke drifting across the high line. So you'll definitely notice some haze around into our Wednesday morning, but we're expecting improving conditions over the next couple of days as a lot of that smoke will start to dissipate. Our current weather setup, we're kind of caught between an area of high pressure and a low pressure system off to the west. So we're seeing a southwest flow that is going to bring in some moisture for today, triggering off some of those showers and storms. And eventually this area of low pressure off the coast is going to drift eastward. Pretty slowly, though. It will really make its way here by Thursday and into Friday is when it really drifts over the state, and that's when we're expecting the potential for the most beneficial rain. And it's kind of depending on how slow this storm moves as how much precipitation we get. Some of the models have been showing it moving really fast. That will lead to lighter precipitation, some of them showing it moving fairly slowly, which would bring in some heavier rain. But for today, we're just looking at very isolated activity. Some of those storms could contain some gustier winds and quick downpours. And then we'll kind of do a rinse and repeat, another round of showers and storms during the evening on Wednesday. Those will actually linger into the night as well. So don't be surprised if you hear some rain and maybe see some thunder and lightning into tomorrow night. Rain totals will be fairly light the next couple of days. This goes through Thursday morning. Most of that rain focused along and west of I-15, just a couple of tenths, and then again that more beneficial rain coming in towards the end of the week. Your wind speeds today potentially gusting between 20 and 30 miles per hour, kind of the same deal tomorrow across the plains, although eastern Montana, you're going to get pretty gusty going into our Wednesday. We could see some wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour, but temperatures today pretty warm, upper 70s, low 80s in Helena. Where we see more sunshine further to the north, those temperatures get pretty hot. 88 today in Fort Benton, 81 for Stanford and Lewistown, and then up towards the High Line. We'll mostly stay dry today, but increasing clouds throughout the evening. Mid 80s from Chester over to Havre, and also for northeast Montana. We'll look at highs at about 85 from Chinook all the way over to Glasgow and Wolf Point. And then moving through the rest of this week, we'll slowly cool things off. You'll definitely notice it by Thursday and Friday with high temps in the 70s, and that's where we bring in that better chance for some showers. This weekend, both days in the low 70s with some scattered showers around, so if you have some outdoor plans, you'll definitely want that rain gear for Helena as well. We'll look at the